Good day. This is another day on this class session. We are progressing, and today our lesson is going to be for the beginners, absolute beginners. We are moving on to the next level. That is after knowing your ways about the keyboard as to how to call forth the name and the note on the keyboard. I think I've not done that one into detail, but I believe that one you do small research about it, then you don't. You see, so I earlier on said that you want to play the solfa notation do re mi fa sol la ti do in any key. You have to know what we call intervals. Yes, interval is very essential. If you're a musician, whether you play violin, keyboard, bass guitar, anything, you have to know your intervals so that you can play with much accuracy. So today we are talking about intervals on the piano keyboard. Thank you very much. Okay, so for the intervals we have 7, or let me say 8. For the beginner stage we have different kinds of interval. That is 8 intervals. So we will start with the maiden one, or the first one. We have an interval that we call a minor second or a semitone. See, any note on the keyboard counts. So if I press this C here and moving on to any other note, I don't leave a space. Like I press this, I move here, directly moving step by step by step. We call it what? A semitone, or a second minor. So you see, or minor second. So if I stand on this, I move to the nearest note. From here I move to the nearest note. We call it a minor second. Okay, so that is the first one. Then after that we have a major second. So assuming I'm standing on F, I move to the next whole tone. Like I skip a note and I come to the next one. We call it what? A major second. Yes, a major second. That means that I've left one in between, or a whole step. And the third one is where if I'm on C, let me always make my reference point to key C. If I'm on C and I skip 2 notes in between, I come to what? To the third note. So this is 0, 1, 2, and I come to the third one. We call it what? A minor third. A minor third interval. So this is minor second, this is minor third, and this is what? Major second. From here to here is what? Major third. Why? Because I have skipped what? 3 notes in between, and I've come to what? This note, that is E. From the C to here to F here, we call it perfect fourth. Yes, that's a major fourth. So I've skipped 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm not pressing the 5th one. That's what? A perfect fourth. If I move half step here, we call it what? A tritone. Why am I saying a tritone? You see, I've taught you this interval called the major second. That is from C to D is a major second. So from D here to E is a major second, and what? The E here to F sharp here is called what? A major second. So if I say tritone, it means that it's 3 tones apart. So from here, this is a tone interval or whole step, or a major second. From here to here is a whole step or a major second. From here to here is a whole step or major second. So this is what tritone. Tritone. Okay, so from here I move on. From here to the next note, I call it what? 5th apart, perfect 5th. Yes, or major 5th. Then I move from here to here, I call it on minor 6. Minor 6. So minor 6 is here. So from here I move on. You see, I'm moving step by step, and I'm making reference to what? The key C. From here to here, we call it what? Major 6. Major 6. Major 6. Major 6. I move on to the next note. I call it what? Minor seventh. Minor seventh. Mostly we call it dominant seventh. Then I come here, I call it what? Major seventh. Then I come here, I call it octave. That's the name, octave. So you're supposed to know any point that you are standing on. We ask you, play a perfect fourth, you should know. So if I step on, let's say, a key G, and they ask me play a perfect fourth, what will I do? I will look for what? A whole step, 2 whole step, and 1 half step. Then I get a perfect fourth. This is major third. This is perfect fourth. This is what? Semitone. This is what? A tone interval or major second. This is a major third. This is a minor third. So you're supposed to know, because if you are constructing chords, the chances are that you are going to add intervals together in order to what? Form the chords. So if I want to form a chord, initially I said that we play by notes. We use the note to create the melody lines. But the situation whereby you want to form chords, you add the intervals. You see that? It is a big chord. It's a chunk of chords. But look at it. From C here to here, it's a major third. From here to here is what? A minor second or a semitone. From here to here, the interval here is what? It's a major third. From here to here, it's what? A minor third. From here to here is a major third. You see, it has formed a very nice chord. And this chord is what? F major 7 on what? C. It's a very nice chord. So this is where I will end this lesson. Please learn your intervals very well, because if you know your intervals, you will be able to play in all the other 12 keys. We call it do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You should be able to play in all other keys. You wouldn't use transpose, and you play with much independence, finger in the independence, and much dexterity. See? So know your interval. It is going to help you. From here to here is what? A major third. Why? Because I skipped 1, 2, 3 notes and I played the 4th note. From here to here is a perfect fourth. Here is a tritone. This is a tritone. It's a tritone. So please go through them. Go through them. I'm working on tritones right now. They are intervals. You see the tritones. So that is it, my fellow brothers. This is the second aspect. Please learn it very well. It's a minor third, major third. From here to here is what? A major second. Here it's a minor second. Yes. Here is a minor 6, major 6, dominant 7 or minor 7, major 7, then octave. From here to here, major 7, minor 7, major 6, minor 6, major 5th. This is a tritone. So thank you very much, and God bless you.